Welcome to Online Digital Marketing Solution. In this video, I will explain Google Ad extensions. In my previous video, I explained keyword match types. Please watch that video also. Today, I'm going to explain keyword Google Ad extensions. Google Ad extension. So, what is the use of Google Ad extension? The main benefit of Google Ad extensions ad looks much better and you are going to give more information, so you can expect more clicks. So that isn't normally we add Google Ad extension. First I'll explain about first extension is first Google extension is site link extension. Site link extension. So you can give different page links of your website. Nothing but you can give different links up to you can give 4 links. Just I will show you some examples. Just add type digital marketing services Bangalore. So one ad I'm seeing like ad lift. So this is a headline one, headline two, description one, description two they have added, and here you can see best SEO strategies, content marketing, search engine marketing. This is called site link extension. So main thing you have to once user looking for any like only SEO strategy can go direct can click this link and you have to go for SEO strategies pages, and if you are looking for content marketing directly go that landing page content marketing. Even ACM is looking for search engine marketing will go direct that the main purpose of this, so you can send our different page websites to customers. So that purpose you can use. Next, so you can give uh, different page links, page different page links, different links, different page links. Next, call out extension. So call out extension is so same thing. You can give some extra description. It's like a small description. So you can give some extra description. Extra description. You can give extra description. It's a small description. But just check the example. Here they are not added extra description. So nothing but you can give some extra description. It's a small description. Like example. So suppose you are going to provide any like a lab facility and live projects like that. You can give some small description. Next, I will show you in my campaign all the examples. Next, structure. Third one, structure snippet. So this is also same thing like extra description, but it has to maintain some structure. Also extra description. It has some. It has structure. Okay, I will show you example. So in this example, yeah, they have mentioned services, SEO, SEM, SMO, SMMO, content marketing, social influence. This is called structure snippet. Next, I think you understood. Next, fourth one is call extension. So call extension is nothing but you can add phone number from mobile. It's clickable, so you can call direct from there. From its desktop, it's not clickable, and also can track all those details. So you can use for this, you can add phone number. Main thing is it's clickable from mobile, from desktop it's not clickable. Next, even you can add location extension. Suppose if you have any location from your store location, so you can add that location. So these all mandatory you can add when you are running campaign. So these things you can add. Okay, just I will show my campaign examples. Just go for my previously how created campaign, and also I'll give below the description of those videos links. Like one is basic Google Ads tutorial, and one is advanced level also I have created for Google Ads. I'll give you the below those links, those video links. Please watch. Just you come ads, you can click extensions. So once you come this, click create ad extension. So okay, so you can see site link, site link extension, call out extension, structure submit extension, call extension, lead, and also lead form is there. No? You can add, you can get direct lead form like nothing but a Facebook lead like name, mobile number, and email. You can track all the things and location extensions and affinity location also extension is there. But mandatory you can use site link, call out, structure, call extension. These I think it's mandatory. You can add. First, let me explain site link. Okay, site link is so in my page nothing but a so you have to add the different pages. So in my pages services, I have mentioned SEO, Google Ads, social media. Same thing I'll give. One is SEO, and you can give that final URL. So where you going to send your executive, sorry, where you going to send your customer. So you can take this, and I'm going to send for SEO services. One sec. I think net is slow. Please wait. Yeah. So mention this. So I will send direct the final URL. Same thing like that. So it's coming this when I have not added HTTPS, so that issue is not a problem. Same thing I will add even SEM and even social media. So up to you can add 4 links. You can just save it. So continue. Add a section is show more ad content to potential customer by adding a site link description. This could boost performance, add lead to higher quality clicks. So you can expect higher quality clicks. So just click continue. Just I had only one. For example, continue. I will show some one by one example. So now I added site link. Now we can add call out extension. Just click here. Yeah, just call out extension. So call out extension is I told you now. So nothing but a some you can give some small a small description. So you can 24/7 support like this. Next, you can like live projects. See, you can see you can once I entered, you can see this. You can expect like small description here, like that. You can add up to 4. You can add. Just I have to just save. So I have added call out extension. Now I'm going to show structure snippet. Just click here. Yeah, see here English, select a type. So what type? Either you are providing amenities, brands, courses, degree promo programs, destinations, featured hotels, insurance coverage, models, neighborhoods, service service catalog, shows styles. So depend on your industry, you can select. Just I will select courses. So what are the courses I am offering? I will mention here. SEO, SEM, and social media. So just I will save. So you can see this here. Whatever the added section separate, you can see it. Just one sec. Yeah, I added whatever SEO. See, you can see now. So next call extension. Call extension, nothing but you can add your phone number and you can save. So like that you can add, and one more also is there. This one location. This one, yeah, location extension. So if you have any your store location, and you have to select the country, and you have to first from here your location, and you can save it here. So even location also extension you can add it, but almost you have to main important extension is site link, call out, structure subnet, and call extension is important. So I think, so what purpose we have to add this? Main thing, user will get more information, and you can express some clicks. You can expect more clicks. So that purpose we can add here. So please, if you have any doubt, so please comment. Thank you. Thank you so much.